promised to end birthright citizenship on day one. Is that still your plan?
Yeah, absolutely.
So Trump is calling to end birthright citizenship as soon as he takes office. Is it legal or impossible? Let's understand what is birthright citizenship and can he actually revoke it? Can he actually take away citizenship from children born on US soil? I really want to talk to you about it. I want to break down this whole concept and make you understand whether it's possible or impossible. All right, friends, let's talk about birthright citizenship. This is a hot topic because Trump has been talking about it since day one, since he started running for president. And now that he's been elected, he's talking about ending birthright citizenship through an executive order. And you know that many things happen in immigration, like DACA, parole in place, and many other things that started as an executive order. But can he actually end birthright citizenship also by enacting an executive order? And his executive order, from what we've seen, is specifically going to target birthright citizenship, specifically those children that were brought here by their undocumented parents and were born on US soil. Also, the executive order is going to target another group of people, those people that come to the United States as tourists, as visitors on B2 visas. Then they have their children inside the United States. We have a lot of families from China and many other countries in the Middle East who come to the United States, have their children here, and then those children leave the United States with US passports. Trump is calling to end that practice through his proposed executive order. And while he's serious about doing this, many legal experts, and as well as our analysis in this video, are saying it's impossible to do that because any child born inside the United States is protected by our Constitution, and therefore they can become US citizens. But first, let's understand what is birthright citizenship, because many of you who are sending us messages, commenting on our videos, are a little bit confused about what is this birthright citizenship. So let's understand that first. To make it very simple, birthright citizenship means that any person born on US soil, born inside the United States, automatically becomes a US citizen. And this comes from Section 1 of the 14th Amendment. All persons, which states the following: all persons born or naturalized in the United States or and subject to the jurisdiction thereof. It's specifically stated there in the 14th Amendment. President Trump and others who are trying to cancel birthright citizenship are specifically focused on this sentence that I mentioned before, subject to the jurisdiction thereof, which means that if the parent, if the mother who is not documented gave birth in the United States to a child, and as a result, because the mother didn't have legal status, she did not be able to pass citizenship to the child, even if that child is born on US soil. But if you look at it deeply, definition of this particular section only specifically talks about people that are not subject to US jurisdiction, which typically talks about children of US diplomats, even though they're born in the United States. But can an actual executive order issued by President Trump alter the Constitution? Before we answer that question, remember guys, if you're watching this video and I'm giving you so much value, we're talking about so many different topics, please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, it's almost the end of the year, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. We're coming into 2025. You need to take control of your immigration matters. You know what to do. Send me a text. So, can he actually use this executive order and earn the 14th Amendment? So, given that birthright citizenship is actually a right protected by the Constitution, the only way we can alter this right is by amending the Constitution. And therefore, only Congress and the state legislature can change that. Not the president, not even Trump can amend the US Constitution. As much as he can try, that he won't be able to do unless they find a way to amend the Constitution through a vote through Congress, which means they need to get a vote which means they need to pass a bill through the House and a bill which means they have to pass a bill through the House, they have to pass a bill through the Senate, that bill must be reconciled, and then the president can sign it. And the likelihood of this happening is not really a possibility in the next 4 years. So what is the conclusion here? The conclusion here is that these remarks of canceling birthright citizenship create this energy, this anti-immigrant rhetoric that essentially led him to become president. And even if he decides to move forward with such an order, it will be struck down by the courts. I can guarantee that. Remember, these announcements, canceling birthright citizenship, mass deportations, these are things that he's doing to create fear among immigrants. And remember, the best thing you can do as an immigrant watching this channel is to get educated. Know your rights. Know what is possible and what is impossible. Can he start doing mass deportations? Yes, of course. Will you be impacted? It depends what your status right now. It depends if you have any involvement with the courts. We'll make a separate video to talk about the likelihood of people being deported. But for this video, cancellation of birthright citizenship is not going to happen in the next 4 years or ever. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in our next video.